Picture that you sent me, they're still living in my phone. And I like to see them while I really feel alone. All my friends keep asking why you're not around. So it hurts to know you're happy, yeah, it hurts that you moved on. It's hard to hear your name when I haven't seen you in so long. It's like what never happened, what was just a lie. If what we had was real, how could you be fine? 'Cause I'm not fine at all. I remember the day you told me you were leaving. I remember the makeup running down your face, and the dreams you left behind, you didn't need them. Like every single wish we'd ever made. I wish that I could wake up with amnesia. Forget about the stupid little things, like the way it felt to fall asleep next to you, and the memories I never can escape. 'Cause I'm not fine at all.